What's up, guys? Welcome to Monkey's Place. This is an Lab game, and I supposedly really like this because of other people's ratings. So, spawn right here in a little shaft thing. Move with your hands. Yeah, I already knew that. Slide down to start playing. Okay. Yes.
What did you guys go? Ah, my
Wow.
back.
How did you
What
guys
did
do that? How did you make it disappear?
I have no idea. It just disappeared, alright?
This is a long slide.
But all I wanted to do was get into the moderator fence. Because, yes.
Well, you don't deserve to say hi to him.
Yes. I could.
Whoa. That's great. Whoa.
Moderator fence.
Silence.
Whoa.
What's
What's up, guys? What's up? Ah!
He has no name.
I know, I'm gonna...
My back.
Why
Can
you
someone
got
help
no
me? My
name?
back hurts.
Okay. J. O. J. O. Y. O. S. K. I. D. Hey! It looks so weird.
Green, blue, yellow, red.
Blue, yellow, green, red.
Hey!
Green, blue, red. Okay, yeah, I got it.
Red.
Alright, now touch this. Touch this. Oh, it'll glitch you. To the
Have to come with me to the monster.
map.
Wait, where are you
I'm
guys?
outside the map. Look, wow. Wait, I'm outside the map. Oh, he died. Wait, I'm outside the map.
Come on. Right there, I'm in.
No, you didn't. You stink.
See that, J-Man Curly? I'm gonna suck your balls.
No. I won't. Yeah. He's right there.
I'll always be hunting.
Run down here. Escape from J-Man. Escape down here. Escape from him. If you want to escape from J-Man, you have to go down here.
Wee.
Just stay down here. Stay down here. J-Man can't
J-Man's
find us down
stupid.
here. Just hide.
J-Man's so trash.
He is trash. J-Man currently sucks. Oh,
Exactly.
no. Jeez, I think they found us. Hide. I think they know where we are. I'm going. I need to check my numbers. Let me go up for a second. Okay, go up. J-Man Curly still sucks, though. Yeah, he really does.
No, he doesn't.
He's like the worst.
Yes, he does.
Yeah. Yeah, he is. I'm not.
I don't find him. I don't find him. Bad.
Not lying. It's pretty.
What color?
It's pretty. He's pretty. I
trash.
find
Purple.
him bad.
Yeah, purple.
Where is he?
Yeah, purple.
Where is the J-Man's? Where's the J-Man's?
Bro, banana. Banana, can someone do horror with me, please? Can someone do horror with me?
No. Where is even James McCurley? Where is the James McCurley? Is he in here?
Why do you have a chicken nugget?
Because I like chicken nuggets. That's my favorite snack. Where's James McCurley?
Oh, boy, fat.
If you're here, Jay McCurley, go to vent. Go to the trusted thing vent. If you're here. I can't go in there yet.
What's up here?
Where's Jay McCurley? I think he left the server. Yay! Jay McCurley really bad. Bro, if Jay McCurley's here, say Jay McCurley's here.
J-Man color
No
is
one.
here.
Talk about it, talk about.
Oh no!
Banana.
About it, talk about. Talk
Banana.
about. Smooth.
Jinx, you get a
If
kiss
you're-
on the
if you're-
lips.
Dun, 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 dun.
What? Where's he? Where is he? Where is he?
Yo, he's in the mines. He's in mines. J-Man's actually in this server. He's in mines.
How many bananas do I have?
I have 9,000.
How do I check to get bananas?
I am him. Guys, something latched onto my head. Look. I don't know. I think something like latched onto my head.
Ew! Fortnite Battle Pass. Fortnite, do you like Fortnite? Did I mention Fortnite? Yo, guys, check out my new dance move. Bro, check out my new dance move.
There's no limited cosmetics.
I have my drink.
Move out of the way!
Drink it.
Mouth! Mouth! Mouth!
Banana monkey?
What's down here?
What
the heck is
Want to
this?
hear
I
banana
hear-
key? Banana key?
I hear like a
Banana
ball.
monkey.
Guys!
Banana
Guys, I found
balls.
cat ears. I found cat ears. Yeah, down here.
Banana.
It's bro, it's
Banana-
in
I know.
there. You idiot.
I just got this game, bro.
Banana key.
So did I.
Banana key. Banana key. Banana key. It's a
And
banana
I already have
key.
trusted user.
Hey,
How long does it take?
dude,
to
do y'all
get
see my username
4
or?
hours. 4 hours.
Probably.
4 hours.
Hey, bro,
Probably.
do you see my
Guys,
username?
Guys, I just found something so cool.
What? Where?
Everybody, come here. Everybody, come
They're
here.
coming.
Everybody,
Where are you?
quick.
you.
There's
Bro,
a slide.
We know that.
You're dumb.
Bro, let's see. Oh
I'm
my god,
dumb.
you're so dumb.
This guy's
You're
dumb.
so dumb. You're literally dumb. Actually, sorry, you're not dumb. Everyone knows that. You're dumb. He isn't
Someone
dumb.
get on the seesaw with me.
Yeah,
Get on the
he is,
seesaw. Bro, I literally just got on this update. I don't know everything, bro.
Bro, you know, if you see something that is like a slide or something, don't say something like that because you know everybody
Stupid
knows.
monkey.
No, you see something,
I
say
don't.
something.
I didn't know that everybody knows though. So
You're
calm
getting
down
wrong
a
up
bit,
the
bro.
chill,
You need to
monkey.
take a chill
Got
pill.
chicken. Everyone
You
knows
need to
this.
take a chill pill, bro.
I don't have
Leave
that.
your
I
ass
think
chill
that
pill
you
in
need to take chill
2022. Crazy.
Bro, are you serious?
Guys! Up here!
What's V-Bucks? V-Bucks.
Bro, you don't know what V-Bucks are?
It look Roblox. I got a chicken nugget. Hello. Yeah, guess what? I got a chicken nugget. So,
Hello?
how do you
What happened
get
to all
in
these?
the vent?
Hello?
Oh, guys, I think my thing went up.
Yeah,
Guys,
come
come
here.
here. Can you show me how to get in?
Hello?
You can't go in the vent. It's because you have to wait. I don't know if you have to run or something, but you can't go in the vent.
Mommy.
Bye. Sorry, bro.
Huh? Bro.
I'm not assuming your race, but I'm just saying that you sound like a pro.
Wait. Are you a moderator? Are you a moderator?
Ugh. Ugh.
I'm right here. I'm at the ice map.
I think
Where
the
are you?
Ice map.
guys. I think the
Yeah, guys, right here. Follow me. Jump here and jump here. I'm such a good Gorilla Tag player. I play this Gorilla Tag. Bro, I'm a Gorilla Tag pro. Like literally, I know Lucio. Yeah, I can Lucio in this
Okay,
map.
and now, last one. The ice hat. Ice hat.
Hey, look at this. I can play the piano. Hey, stop. Bro, stop playing the piano. Let me do it.
Here and then here.
Whoa.
Bro, stop.
Where you
Let me turn my
going?
piano though.
Right here.
huh? Oh shit! I got a tail.
I have every single collectible in the game, and then I
Wait.
also
Who's
have
the guy
all
that's looking for
five
collectibles?
viable
Can you
things.
tell me? Wait, if you're looking, if you're the guy that said I have every single collectible, meet me at the Explorer badge. The guy that said I have every single collectible, meet me at the Explorer badge.
Yes,
I'm a
ma'am.
Okay, you're here.
I'm
I'm through here. Do you have this? I'm a freaking.
Yeah. Obviously.
Okay.
Yes.
Check it.
Move.
Do you have the Explorer badge?
Look at this. He got Explorer
Yeah,
badge. I got
I do.
Explorer
Move.
badge. Everyone have Explorer badge. I have it. I don't have it.
Is that every collectible now? I think so.
No, better
Yeah.
than it.
Yeah, I got
Yeah, that's
every-
every collectible.
Oh my.
This game is glitched.
Somebody come here. I want to hit you with my cane.
Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on.
Wait,
Guys, I
ready?
can play a
Ready?
part of the Minecraft song, guys. I
Dream
can play a part of the Minecraft song.
Do it, J-Man. Why are you so small?
I can play a part of the Minecraft song. Come to
G-Man
me
has
if you want me
died.
to play a part of the Minecraft song.
Guys, I'm too small.
You want me
See,
to
without me, guys, you guys will be plebs.
Hey, you.
Holy shit! Stop!
Hey, wanna get hit with my lightsaber?
That's my best
Hey, guys.
song.
Bro,
made
they
$5
collab
million.
with Monkey Bouncers. They collab with Monkey Onkey.
Can y'all stop, please?
Can you
Dream
shut
on.
up, please?
Dream on.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
What? What'd you say, boy?
Holy, y'all are
Bro, I'm a
trash at
professor,
playing the
bro. I'm a
piano.
professor.
Y'all are trash
Bro,
at
what's wrong with the
playing
piano? It's so good.
Y'all
that
are
was me
trash
playing.
at playing the piano.
I'm
Y'all
the
are
best.
trash.
I'm the best.
Y'all are trash.
You mad at
No.
Why would you say
Get
that?
that
Why
thing
would
out
you
of
say
my
that?
face,
Why would you say
dumbass.
that? Why would you say that, bro? So you can get, bro.
Y'all
What's
don't
up,
even
baby,
know how to
bro?
play the piano in real life. All y'all know how to do is just...
Who wants to play the piano in real life? Not me.
I know
No,
how
that's it.
to.
Like,
Monkey Place is the best game out there, bro. Yeah, Monkey Place, the future will be second place.
I said I'd
It's
have
better than
certain
than
things.
Kapu-chan.
Hey, everybody, go to moon. Go to moon.
Well, it's not better than
I don't like the
World
moon.
Cup.
It's gonna make me motion sick. Guys, I have
Go to
2,000 seconds until
The moon, boys!
2,000.
The moon! Wait, it's not the moon. It's the meteor. It's not a moon. It's a
That's the meteor,
meteor.
not the moon. That's the meteor, not the moon.
It's noon. It's a noon.
It's a moon.
It's not the moon. It's a noon.
I'm not going to moon.
It's a boom.
Dude, I need...
It's the boom from 9/11.
Call me now, bro. Let's go to the house.
You're 91.
I'm not going back
I'm
to
on
the
top
moon.
row.
Last time I went to the moon, I got lag. I got
Hey,
lost.
what's up? Are you new?
Can you teach me? Can you show me?
Are you new to this game?
Go to the
Oh,
bathroom.
yeah,
Okay.
Water.
So right, so
like the yellow
I just got this game as well. So basically, name, rooms, options. Press a name, type in whatever name you want. Currently, the keyboard is not working,
I want to drive
Blue.
so try your best.
Blue, let's go to back rooms.
Guys, go to back rooms. Go to back rooms.
The bathroom, yes.
Let's go to back rooms, guys. Let's go to back rooms, guys.
Where's back room? Where's back room?
In mines.
In mine.
I'm new to this game.
Bro, this is my first day, my job. Getting some good stuff.
Whoa.
I just mined the. I just mined a rock. Guys, I found this mysterious hole that sent me to this place where there's a big black long. Hey, Red, stop running. Come over here if you want to go to the back rooms. Back rooms.
Wait, where do I go?
Jump down.
What is your
Come on,
face?
go to the bathrooms!
Come to the back rooms.
Hey, guys,
Come,
look at that
jump
big
down,
long
jump
guy.
down, jump down.
Let's go.
What the heck?
There's a black monster.
Look at that! Look at that! Bro, I hate it! I hate this! I hate this! I hate
Whoa. Oh my god, I scared myself.
following this guy around and killing him!
It's a dead end. Let's go back.
Wait, so that's the
Let's go
monster!
back. Everyone, go back to the back rooms.
Yeah, back.
I died too! I'm leaving! I'm gonna try right here.
Where's the back? Is there an exit? Where do you go to do the...
I don't know.
Follow me.
Guys,
Good boy. You a good boy.
follow that long boy. He's so long and nice.
Yes, guys, I have a good idea. Let's fall down there.
No, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Why is it Stop, bro. Let me go.
Guys, where is this big black man?
I found it. Can you show me what's inside here?
Yeah.
Help me.
Give me a second. I gotta change. Screw it.
Step bro, please. Please, step bro.
Come on.
I don't know. I haven't been down here.
Wait.
Come on.
Bro,
I'm getting
calm
chased.
down?
Why am I the only one getting chased by
Level
the monster?
1. Maze. Let's go.
Careful going down.
No,
This way, come on.
I died. Bro, have you beat the back room?
I'm falling so fast. Wait, you can beat
Oh my
the back.
god.
Bro, I didn't know. You,
Have you beat the back room?
go in the pond. Go in. Hold up, follow me.
Have you beat the back rooms?
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Someone go
Please
in the
don't kill
pond.
me, sir.
Like, I didn't.
Goodbye.
Wait, is this flame or
the
different?
pond.
Stop me.
No, the back room
I don't want to
looks
go.
like the pond.
Still
Don't kill
having
me,
fun.
please, sir.
Oh, now I see it.
Guys,
Someone
go
was
to
a
the
lot.
pond. Guys, go to horror.
Find the
Guys,
goodness in
I'm
your
stuck
heart.
in the
Please
back.
don't kill me.
Guys, go to horror.
Oh, guys, let's go to the Nembot area.
Guys, why are my arms
Go
so
to
cold?
next spot. Guys, go to next spot.
Why are they so crooked?
Guys, go to next spot.
Why are
I
you
will
guys so
eat
big?
you for breakfast.
What is
Go to next
that?
spot, guys. Come on, guys.
Yeah, everybody go to.
Guys,
Go to where he's going.
Oh, stay there.
The only
Next
other
spot.
one. Go to
Stay
next
there.
spot. Let's go
Hey,
to
you
next
stay there.
spot.
Stay there. Stay
One
there.
with me.
It's
Follow me.
cannibalism. Come here.
Next spot. Next
Come here.
spot.
Go right there. Guys, go to the next spot. Come on. Go in the pond.
This.
Go in the pond. It's next
Jump
spot.
in that
It's
big
next
black
spot.
hole. Jump in it. Jump in
Go
it.
to the pond.
I love big black things.
Me too.
Uh-oh.
Guys, where you at? They can't get us in here.
Oh, Mom.
You.
Why me?
Plain black one. Plain black one.
Go!
Go into the pond. Go into the pond. Go into the pond.
I'm scared.
Just wait there.
Guys.
Why is it so
Guys.
loud? No,
They're
behind you.
chasing
me.
I see the light.
Stay there. Stay there.
Yeah.
You monkey, stay there. Oh my
I
god.
see the light.
I'm coming towards you.
I'm at level 2. Let's go.
Obama got me. Obama got me. I'm back. I'm back in next spot.
No.
Dude, I'm right here. I'm behind spawn. Update. What's the update?
No.
I know.
No. I got to level 2.
Who? You.
Jeez.
Who's a moderator?
Who's
the shop with you? If you're a moderator.
I'm gonna see you. Don't get the secret cosmetic.
Go to shop if
Let
you're a
me eat
moderator.
you.
Go to shop
Let me
if
eat
you're
you
a
for
moderator.
breakfast.
Hey, monkey,
Let me eat you. Let me eat you.
Why?
What
Come on, camera.
cosmetic.
By the way, what shop?
What?
Oh, over here. Go to shop if you're a moderator.
Ohio was a weird place. How do you get the secret cosmetics?
Wait, are you a mod?
I-
Are you a moderator?
I heard your call.
So you're a moderator. So show me how you're a moderator. So I was just asking. I'm not saying.
JK, I'm not actually a moderator. Hee hee.
How do you get the secret cosmetics?
I don't know. I'm gonna go back into horror.
Find
See ya.
them.
What's this black area?
I like checking my yanny mom. How do you get the banana?
Next spots. Where's next spot?
Oh my god, this works?
so scary. Oh.
How do you see your bananas? How do you
No, I'm still figuring this out.
You, can you show me how to see your bananas?
Bro, this is too much fun. What the heck is that area?
Hey, can you show me how to
What the
get
heck is this
how to
area?
see like bananas?
Come on, bro.
Bro, this is the old girl tag map.
Let's go. Did it. Yo, guys, that's
Bro, this is a
wait for me.
breach.
Come here.
No.
How do you get the chicken nugget?
I got third person.
Where are you at? Yeah?
Anybody in here?
Oh, I got the coffee mug. Let's see what I have. I do not have
Nice
the tree
food.
house. I do not
Now
have.
come on.
There's nothing there. I don't have the explode
Special maps.
Sadly. I don't
I
have
literally
the
went
house,
to every
I don't
single
have-
one.
Hyper map. What
I
is a
just need
hyper map?
I just need the banana
Go to the
in the
computer.
tree
Go to
house.
No.
I'm going to
Go to the computer if you want to
I
go
wanna
to the
get
moon
the-
with me. Mini game. Does anybody like to go to the moon with
I have
me?
spawned out of nowhere to
I'm
come
just
to
putting-
your
I'm just-
quest.
Now you're stuck. Chill.
I'm the only one that knows how to get out. I am the only one that knows how to escape.
I'm coming to eat.
Trovid Scape.
Yo, anyone wanna?
What's my
Does
bananas?
anyone know how to make a VR game? Does anyone know how to make a VR game?
Yeah.
World Tag VR game? Yes.
Does anyone want to help me on one?
I will.
No.
Aw. Okay.
I will.
It's called Squirrel Chasers.
Oh, definitely no then.
Why?
It's not about gorillas.
Oh, I made me start this game.
Well, you can't definitely. I know the moderator. Huh?
Yes.